Sure. So it's really three things, and Brocade Federal is really about providing the infrastructure to support all this data movement.
Right.
Some of the three things that we're looking at, first and foremost, as Frank mentioned, you have to figure out what you have. So we spend a lot of time looking at visibility. How do you see where the data is flowing? How do you see where it sits, where the hotspots are? What do you need to move and where do you need to move it? So, that's, I think, first and foremost. The other part is we want to make sure that whatever we provide the agencies, the federal government, in terms of the infrastructure, that it's simple, that it's easy to manage and it's easy to manipulate and it's agile. It has the ability to move itself around and self-heal really from a virtualization side so that you can provide the infrastructure and the services to help this movement across data centers as you work forward through this process. And the last piece is, especially in the government world, and I was there for 15 years, is that if you can't buy it effectively, it doesn't really do you any good, right? So we spend a lot of time coming up with unique programs. We have some unique network subscription models that allow you to purchase these things that you want to do in a much simpler form and not have to use a lot of capital expenditures to do that.
Right.
You can go back and you can use the operational part of your budget to go ahead and put these pieces in play that you need to move stuff around.
Yeah, I'm going to